This is the Porsche 914 that needs to find a new home. I'll do a little walk around. Not my car. Again, I'm asked to help get the car running after sitting for a few years and get it ready to sell because it just needs to find a new home. Originally a silver car, repainted white. I don't know who painted it. I don't have any idea of the history of the car at all. Looks like it's a fairly solid car and floors seem to be fine. Looking at all the sheet metal and the seams, looked pretty good. Okay. Electronic fuel injection, so it's gonna need some work on the fuel injection, but at least it's running, and somebody that understands these cars can take it from here and tweak the Prince of Darkness stuff under the hood and come up with a pretty decent car. That whine is from the jet overhead.